No basic zone.
This is Shangish Girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo! My name is Stushy. Make sure that if you are new, you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. The gang and I are trying to touch 5K before January 1st, 2021. So make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It doesn't cost a thing. It's 100% free. Just go ahead and do it, sis, okay? And if you're already part of the Stush gang, then welcome back to the channel, you guys. You guys know I'm always happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video. So in light of October being Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I went ahead and created a look. And if you are OG Triple SG, then you know I myself am a cancer survivor. I didn't have breast cancer, but I have a special place in my heart for all cancer survivors. I have a special place in my heart for people that are currently battling cancer right now. So I wanted to create this video just to show some awareness on my channel and just to shout out the gals and men, okay, because men can get breast cancer as well. But I did want to show some awareness on my channel for breast cancer. So here we are. I'm only going to be doing the eyes with you guys in this video. If you guys would like to see me complete the rest of the face, then I'll go ahead and link that video up above for you guys. So just to let you know, today's video is going to be a voiceover, but for some parts of today's video, I'm going to go ahead and drop some facts about breast cancer on the screen while drinking my tea. So be on the lookout for those facts. I just want to educate you guys a little bit while getting into some makeup. So make sure you watch this video in its entirety. Make sure you share this video with a friend. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave me a big thumbs up. And without any further ado, let's get right into it. Let's start the video off with a fact, shall we? Number one, although it is very rare, roughly 370 men are diagnosed every single year with breast cancer. So tell a friend to tell a friend. Now we're starting off by priming my eyes with this Too Faced eyeshadow primer, and then I'm gonna go into my Morphe 25L palette and use this pink shade as my transitional shade, and I'm working that underneath my brow bone. Now tapping into that bright pink, I'm going to pack that into my crease and in my outer V. Now y'all know my nose is always sweating, never mind that. Now I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush to blend out the harsh lines, and I'm using the same brush that I used for the transition shade to help smooth things out up there. Now going back in with more of that bright pink, and it's all about building that color up that was lost. And then I'm going to open up my Berries palette by Juvia's Place and go in with that pink. And I'm going to pack that on top of the last pink shade. And time for another fact. A nipple change, such as an inverted nipple or a change in the color of your breast, can be a sign of breast cancer. So make sure you check your breast regularly, okay? Okay, back to the look. Just using this small blending brush to blend out the harsh lines again. Now I'm going to use my NYX white eyeshadow base to carve out my crease. So enjoy, because I low-key struggled today. Shh, don't tell anyone. Now I'm going to set the base with this white shadow from the Morphe 25L palette. And then jumping back into the Berries palette, I'm going to pack that pink into the outer V to help with the transition on the lid. And I'm also going to use this time as an opportunity to clean up my cut crease a little bit. And just like that, it's tea time. Did you know that there are more than 2.5 million breast cancer survivors in the United States? No? Well, now you do, sis. And yes, shout out to them, okay? And now I'm going to apply clear lash glue to my lids because it's about that time where we get to play and glitter. And And this glitter is actually coming from a black owned business called Glow Glitter. And I'm actually going to be using a new tool. Well, it's new to me. It's the glitter applicator from another black owned business that I ordered from called Girly Touches. And I'm going to use the tool to apply the glitter. And y'all, this tool is low-key necessity for all my glitter lovers, okay? And I'm now going to go ahead and dust off any of the fallout from the glitter. And adding even more sparkle with How Many Carats Diamond Bomb from Fenty Beauty to highlight the brow bone. And stop. Time for another fact. 1 in 8 women will develop breast cancer in their life, and it is the most common cancer among women. So ladies and men, remember you're not included, but especially ladies, check them tatas, okay? If something looks weird, feels weird, is acting weird, schedule a checkup, okay? Thanks. And now I'm going to line my lash line with this pink liner from Fenty Beauty. And as I mentioned, the face was completed in another video, so keep your eyes peeled for that. It's going to be dropping this Sunday. And with that being said, it's slow-mo time. So to complete today's look, all I did was add a bit of this pink shadow in my lower lash line, and I also went ahead and popped on some lashes from my lash business that I'm actually in the process of testing out. I don't know if I'm going to be adding them to the site as yet, but yes, I went ahead and popped on these lashes. So don't forget, all the products used in today's video will be listed down below, and the rest of the look was completed off camera, as I mentioned. If you guys want to check that video out, I'll leave it up above for you guys. So yes, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you go ahead and leave your girl a big thumbs up down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of today's video. I hope you guys learned a little bit from today's video as well. And if you haven't already subscribed, sis, I hope that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Remember, I said 5K by January 1st, 2021. Help us get there. And if you haven't already, make sure you turn on your post notification bell to be alerted whenever I upload the next video. And until next time, until next video, until next upload, until next post, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys. We, in light of breast cancer month, in light of breast cancer awareness month, in light of October being breast cancer awareness month,